Afternoon, Miss. Okay, so today we are going to start our evaluation. So I will ask from the little step first. Please explain.
On Monday, on Monday. Okay, a little step on Monday for this week. We decided on nine what the lesson to go. Okay, for this subject, there are some keywords. It's about our favorite foods. We just asked students about our favorite foods, and there are the keyword of this subject for on Monday. Like apple, like pure apples, bananas, strawberries, grapes, and oranges. How about a checkpoint? The question is, what are your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit are bananas and apples. But key vocabulary is about how do vegetables and fruits grow. Okay, the language is about key vocabulary is about carrot, potato, apples, and oranges. One. Next, the last is about key language. Language is about what language is about. Uh, what do you? Sorry, language is about carrots grows underground and apples grows on the tree. Question: where do apples grow? Apples grow on a tree. The one is on Monday. It's about favorite food.
On Tuesday?
So this is about the fruit, but we are student about the keyword is about pictures of numbers. On the book, there are some numbers, some from 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay, check the question. How many apples are there in the picture? After they count right, there are 50 apples in the picture. The one is about keyword about key language. How many apples? And then let's count 10 let's count 10 of 10, 5 of 10. Okay, just count the apples. Okay, next key vocabulary is about what you present to grow, like plants, sun, soil, water, air, seed, soil, whole watering can, parts of flower and petals, leaves, stem, roots, and first, first, next, then, and finally. And the check one question. What do we need to appreciate? What do plants need to grow? Plants need water, sun, and air. Soil, sun, and air. Like that. It's on Monday and on Tuesday.
Okay. So for rainbow math and rainbow science?
On rainbow math and rainbow science. For this week, rainbow math, we just focus for number 16 and number 17. Before the class, the teachers explain and ask students, please count start from 1 until 10 about fruits, right? Because in the book, there are fruits, watermelon, and the others, and ask students just about the numbers, but check one question. Teachers takes takes 16 eraser, right? Because we want to study about number 16. Then just ask the student, how many erasers are on the table? There are 16 erasers on the table. And then we study about the next page, we study about number 17. That's why teachers ask like this. What numbers come from 10 and 7? I ask them to show their fingers like 10 and 7 and 10 and 7. And then I ask them this. What numbers come from 10 and 7? And then they think right number 17. But some of students still confused about it. Number 17 come from 10 and 7. This one for rainbow math. For rainbow science, we study about activities of animal. For this week, we just focus about what do animals move, and different of animals move. It means the first teachers ask about this. How do kangaroos move? Kangaroo can hop and jump. And then, what do birds move? Different from fish. Bird can swim, bird can fly with wings, and fish can swim with fins. only that one, only about move. And teachers open the book because there are some animals like how they move, how do they move like one. What animals can run, like tiger, cheetah, and cat, and other. Okay, and about the animals can swim like fish and duck and other. And then animal can crawl. What is that? Snail can crawl. And then what animals can jump and hoop, can move, can fly? Butterfly and birds. Only like that. Only that is only for their move, their movement.
Their movement.
Just focus not only on.
But you review, right? I mean, you
Yes,
review
review.
some civic questions, right?
On 22nd May. There's about animals. There are for the second question is what sound does cat make? Cat says meow. And then what animals what say meow? What do cats like to eat? Cats like to eat fish and meat. We just review what you questions still about animals. The previous subject we studied about the food, and for this week we study about the movement.
The movement. For untuk ASP?
SP ada enggak?
ASP, ya ketiga ASP tersebut dari ASP matematika.
ASP matematika itu mengenai anak-anakku. Jadi guru menjelaskan alat apa yang digunakan rakyat Indonesia untuk melawan penjajah. Kemudian guru meminta siswa untuk menghitung alat. Kemudian guru menjelaskan bendera Indonesia. Second questionnya, alat apa yang digunakan rakyat Indonesia untuk melawan penjajah? Gunting. Kemudian bendera. Apa warna bendera Indonesia? Bendera Indonesia berwarna merah putih. Itu ASP Bahasa Indonesia hanya fokus kepada alat yang digunakan dan menghitung jumlah alat yang ada di negeri. Itu ASP matematika. Untuk ASP sains dan mereview PR di bulan tentang ASP. Nah, ASP sains itu
ASP matematika.
Ya, ASP sains itu mengenai lambang negara Pancasila dan mengenai bendera Indonesia. Jadi guru bertanya, apa lambang Pancasila yang keempat? Lambang Pancasila yang keempat itu adalah kepala benteng. Kemudian apa warna bendera Indonesia? Ya, itu ASP sains. Untuk cek question tanggal 14 sampai tanggal 5 Mei, guru bertanya, apa warna bendera Indonesia? Merah putih. Dan guru bertanya apa lambang sila ketiga? Lambang sila ketiga itu adalah papan beringin. Kemudian ASP bahasa, guru menjelaskan cara melestarikan lingkungan dan kegiatan apa yang dilakukan pada tanggal 17 Agustus. Jadi guru bertanya kepada siswa, bagaimana cara kamu menjaga kebersihan di lingkungan kamu atau di rumah? Dengan cara membuang sampah pada tempatnya. Kemudian guru bertanya, apa yang kita rayakan pada tanggal 17 Agustus? Kita merayakan Hari Kemerdekaan Indonesia. Jadi hanya fokus untuk ASP bahasa, cara melestarikan lingkungan, dan kegiatan apa yang kita lakukan pada tanggal 17 Agustus. Dan guru bertanya kepada siswa untuk poin yang lalu, apa lambang negara Indonesia? Garuda Pancasila. Coba kamu sebutkan contoh benda yang berkaitan dengan negara Indonesia, bendera dan Garuda Pancasila. Itu untuk ASP.
Untuk ASP Sains, apa yang mesti review untuk CPQ-nya?
Untuk CPQ-nya itu apa lambang sila ketiga dan apa warna bendera Indonesia?
Sila ketiga.
Yes, warna beringin.
Untuk ASP Sains.
Yes.
Yakin?
Iya, Miss, apa lambang sila ketiga? Warna, sebenarnya fokusnya ke warna bendera Indonesia juga, Miss. Menjelaskan lambang negara dan warna. Sebenarnya di situ nggak dimasukkan, Miss. Masih di LP.
Tapi ini per 5 sampai 9 Mei.
Kan yang tanggal 20.
Kalian tidak masukkan di reviewnya.
Makanya sih jadi itu ada yang bahas belum dimasukkan.
Nanti diedit ya Miss ya.
Oke.
Untuk ASP Sains lambang
Negara.
Jadi untuk ASP bahasa apa?
Melestarikan lingkungan dan kegiatan yang dilakukan pada tanggal 17 Agustus.
Melestarikan lingkungan.
Ya.
Pertanyaannya apa?
Pertanyaannya, bagaimana cara kamu menjaga lingkungan di rumah? Dengan cara memasak pada tempatnya. Kemudian kegiatan apa yang kita rayakan pada tanggal 17 Agustus, Hari Kemerdekaan Indonesia.
For the project, do you have project for this week?
Yes, for this week we just transferring seeds by spoon.
How?
Teacher has provided 2 bowls and seed like
What kind of seed? Bean? What kind of bean? Long bean? Green bean? What
green
bean?
bean.
Green bean.
Just some 2 balls in front, and then they take them to transfer.
How many students will you ask?
We can do all of students, but
All those together?
yes, to take it after they move, after they come to in front and then see this. Because we want to see them, they can focus or can do it one.
What will they do? How?
They will transfer seed green bean with spoon.
With spoon? How many green beans will they put inside the...
Until full, but some of the until not full of this. Because if we make full later, we just want to ask, we just want to see them can or not, cannot they do it.
So what else will you see from them?
They can focus, they can do by themselves. If their mommy, they can help their mommy because there is a practical like yes, they can do these activities practical at their in their situation.
So what will you need? Spoon?
Balls, right, and then the green and spoon on the table.
So they will transfer the seeds from the bowl to the...
To the another bowl. The blank bowl, right? The nothing, right? This is
the empty bowl.
The empty bowl. This is bowl of green bean. This is empty bowl, right? And then
Oh, I thought you prepared the bottle. So they will put inside. It's hard, yeah, for them.
if we have the right.
Oh, you have made it. So this is only bowl to bowl. So it will be so fast later. You just put...
But some students can make the basic, and that's why we ask them to do it.
Okay. Only that you will see from them.
Yes, miss.
The focusedness.
And can do in the real situation like that.
For the son's grade?
For Sanskrit, we just study what unit 6, what ox, double box.
How many sounds?
There are 4. Ox.
Ok. Like that. Ox. Okay. Now it's time to this one. This one.
Okay, student. Now we are going to study about the stem, the part of a flower. You know what is a flower like? Okay, flower is beautiful. You like flower, right? If you can smell the flower, you can smell. We can feel the smell, right? Okay, look at this flower, right? There are some parts of this, right? Pink, pink, pink. This the color of the petal is are pink. You know what is leaves? Leaves is green part of the flower. Okay, this is the green one. How about stem is? Stem is the the first or you can this step is the function is to hold as a holder to hold leaves and petals and roots. And how about roots? Roots is under to to make flower can grow. Because from roots we can stem, leaves, and petal. That one. Petal is the colorful part of flower. Leaves is the green part of the flower. Stem is the can hold this one, and the roots is the basic or can grow start from roots until make flower. Okay. Okay, you know right. Now it's time to study about the cellular fruit. This one to ask you. Do you know what's fruit? Okay, fruit is this is some of the fruits can taste like sour, sweet. Is right? Okay. Before Miss explain about this one to ask you one by one. What fruits is this? This pear, apples, banana, strawberry, grapes, and orange. And then I want to ask you about the color. What is the color of apple? Red. What is the color of grapes? Purple. Okay, how about the taste? You know, how about the taste? What is the taste of banana? Sweet. Apple? Sweet. Strawberry? Sour, right? Yes. Now I want to ask you, what is your favorite food? Yes, good. I like pear. Okay, now we listen from this audio about their favorite food. Because there are one, this is teacher, and then this student. This boy named Leo, and this girl named is Mia. We listen first. What are their favorite food? Okay, from this, right? Okay. After we study about food, now it's time to study about vegetables and fruit. Okay, this is carrot. You know, carrot is fruit or vegetable. Vegetable. This potato. This potato is vegetable or fruit? Vegetable. This apple. Apple. Fruit. And the last orange. Okay, now this is their tree, their roots. Okay, if carrots, okay, if you go to somewhere, you can see carrots grow. Which one the tree that carrots can grow? This. Look at this. You can see right? This fruit. So no need to make line. This is what's this? This is underground of soil, right? Okay, you must remember that carrots go underground. That's why you can make line. Okay, next. This is 3D. There are so many orange, right? Okay, there are 4, right? This is orange tree. Okay, you can reach. Okay, next. This is full of potato. Okay, potato grows underground or grows in the soil. You can reach. Okay, you can see which one tree for fruits or tree for vegetables.
I think that's all for the evaluation today. I have made the result here. For the explanation, I think you need to develop it more, Miss. Like just now you said, what is flower? Flower is beautiful. Not only that, you can say like flower is a plant, is a part of plant that has a colorful, or maybe you can make the example like sunflower, like that one, like tulips, for example, like that. Pardon?
I can explain to mention. I can mention them to types of flowers like that.
You explain what is flowers. Just now you just said flower is beautiful. Before you go to this one, you can explain a bit what flower is. Yeah, you can say like flower is the a colorful is part of plant that grows, and then it's colorful and it's beautiful like that. You can add a little bit words, and then this one just now don't go to the right pictures first. This one, see, so
This one and this.
yeah, you want to ask them to match, right, based on the picture, right? So which one the pair? You just explain from the left first. Just now, some from the left, some from the right. So just be consistent. No, you didn't. So just be consistent. You explain from the left first. For example, like this. Okay, so here there are two types of plants, or yes, there are two types of plants that we can see. Now, one of them is growing on the tree, and another one is growing on the ground or in the soil. So let us see this one. What is this? Carrot means. Okay, so carrot grows on the tree or grows on the ground, for example, right? And then they will answer, grows on the ground, miss. Okay, now let's see which one is carrot. Which one is carrot? Is this carrot? No. Is this carrot? Yeah. So we match the line from the first picture. So I ask you again, this carrot grows on the ground or grows on the tree? Like that, miss. Okay, I think that's all, miss. So you pass with enough result. Thank you.